Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images in Gemini. Okay, so do you know how sometimes you just have this image in your head and you have no idea how to actually make it? That is actually what Gemini's image generator is created for. So let me show you how you can generate such images using Gemini. First thing, let's open Gemini. It doesn't really matter if you use iPhone or Android because it works the same across all devices. And open text box in order to open your keyboard. So now let's start giving Gemini our prompt. Let's say that I want to generate image of cat. If I just say a cat, Gemini will just generate you image of a cat. It is fine, but it's kind of boring. But if I say generate image of fluffy white cat with blue eyes that sits on a wooden windowsill with warm morning light in the background and also shallow depth of field. Let's send this prompt to Gemini, and then you have to wait until the image is generated. As you can see, Gemini has just created for me photo that actually looks like a real one. I could not even tell that it's not real at the first sight. Yeah, that's actually incredible, and that makes a huge difference if you would say just generate me image of a cat. So what I'm pointing to is that you have to be very specific. If you have a specific vibe in your mind, you have to ask AI for it. As well, you can ask AI to give you different styles. Let's say that Gemini recreated this photo in a style of watercolor painting. As you can see, it creates a really incredible photos. And yeah, that's basically what AI was made for, just to make your life so much easier. And as you can see, you can just spin around your AI just how you like it until you get the most incredible result. And also one tip, that if you don't like the image, if the image is not good for you, you don't have to start over from the very beginning. You have to just tell Gemini what to fix about this photo. So let's ask replace white cat with orange cat. I don't know what is the issue. Replace white cat with orange cat. It does not want, so let me quickly type. Let's wait for results. And as you can see, it did not change anything but the color of the cat, just as I asked. So yeah, that's basically how you can create pictures using Gemini. And let me sum everything up, some tips. You have to be specific about your prompt. Also, you have to give Gemini mood that you're into. You have to get into details. Also, you can pick a style if you have one in mind. And if you do not get your perfect picture from the first try, that's fine. You just have to ask Gemini to move it around a little bit instead of starting over. So go and try it, play around, and see what you will come up with. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful for you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.